In. The keys are in the bag. The keys are in the bag. On. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Under. The cat is under the bed. The cat is under the bed. Next to. He is sitting next to me. He is sitting next to me. In front of. The car is in front of the house. The car is in front of the house. Behind. The dog is behind the door. The dog is behind the door. Between. The shop is between the bank and the pharmacy. The shop is between the bank and the pharmacy. Above. The clock is above the door. The clock is above the door. Below. The valley is below the mountain. The valley is below the mountain. Inside. There is someone inside the room. There is someone inside the room. Outside. The kids are playing outside. The kids are playing outside. She is at school. She is at school.